Welcome back, and in this video we will continue our second chapter, the keywords of this chapter. We have done 4 keywords of this chapter and we will see the next keywords. So our next keyword is fat. So we know that the fat is also give us energy to our body, and it's give more energy than carbohydrates. Okay, so fat fat is a nutrition that give to our body. Fat give more energy than hydrates. Okay, and the sources of fats are, I hope you know these things. Sources of fat are oil, butter, ghee, etc. Okay, so fat is the nutrients that give energy to our body, and fats give more energy than carbohydrates, and its sources are oil, butter, ghee. Okay, so our next keyword is mineral. Okay, minerals are needed by, it is needed by our body in small amount. Okay, we don't need we don't need minerals in large quantity as much as fat, carbohydrates. No, it's needed by our body but in a very small quantity. Okay, small amount. And each mineral are each mineral is essential for proper growth of the body. ओके, और ये मिनरल्स है क्या आपके, लाइक कैल्शियम एंड आयरन, फास्फोरस, ओके, these are your minerals. Okay, calcium, iron, phosphorus and etc. Okay, I hope you have understand these things. And our next is nutrition. Okay, so our next is nutrition. And what is nutrition? We know that nutrition is a substance which is uh, found in our body, and it's needed by our body to keep us alive. Okay, so nutritions are a substance are substance that is needed to keep a living thing alive and to help it grow. Okay, so basically nutrition is a substance which is needed to keep a living things alive and to help it grow. Okay, and what is a nutrition example? You can give example: vitamins, minerals, etc. Okay, and our next is protein. Okay, protein is basically a body building food, where in which food the protein is found, it is called a body building food. Okay, so basically protein gives us, so protein is a nutrition, it is needed for the growth and repair of our body. And the sources of protein is, sources of protein are milk, pulses, vegetables, and etc. So today we have done 4 keywords, and you have to write these keywords in your copy with clean handwriting, neat and clean handwriting, and try to understand. If there is any confusion regarding these keywords, you can ask me in group. Okay, and your homework, I am giving you homework from your book. Okay, you have to make this chart in your copy. Okay, this chart: vitamin minerals deficiency, disease, disorder and its symptoms. You have to draw this table in the plain side of your copy. मतलब आपके एक साइड लाइन होती है और एक साइड प्लेन होता है ना, तो प्लेन साइड पे ये लिखना है आपको. Okay, is this is your homework. Okay, so do this homework, and till then, thank you.